Well, good morning, good morning. Today I am doing a little work on this gate, installing some pressure treated wood on the gate because they just need to have that reinforcement. So yesterday I put on this right side. I went ahead and put this right side on, and today I'm back to put the next side on, and everything should be okay. I gotta do some measurement now, and then after that measurement, then I go ahead and connect the board. So I'm gonna do my measurement, and then I can go ahead and do everything, make everything look good. Okay, got my tape measure here. Piece of wood right here, and make sure it's straight. Yeah, this is good. So I'm gonna make a cut on this one. 6 and 3/4. I can measure that from one end to the other. 6 and 3/4. Good. And I can straight edge on it just to make sure everything is perfectly together. And I have my saw here.